Imagine waking up one morning in a world where giant dinosaurs rule everything. Some are as tall as buildings. Others run faster than cars. Massive predators roam freely, while enormous plant eaters peacefully wander through endless forests. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs dominated Earth. They survived changing climates, volcanic eruptions, and countless natural disasters. It almost seemed like nothing could ever replace them. But then, in a single day, everything changed. Around 66 million years ago, a gigantic asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, was racing through space toward our planet. The dinosaurs had no idea what was coming. Within seconds, the asteroid slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact was unimaginably powerful. It released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs exploding at the same time. The ground shook violently. Mountains collapsed. Massive earthquakes spread across the planet. Gigantic tsunamis hundreds of feet tall crashed into coastlines. Anything close to the impact site was instantly destroyed. But surprisingly, the asteroid itself wasn't what killed most dinosaurs. The real disaster came afterward. The collision blasted enormous amounts of dust, ash, and rock high into Earth's atmosphere. Soon, the sky turned dark. For weeks, then months, very little sunlight could reach the surface. Imagine if the sun suddenly disappeared. Plants could no longer perform photosynthesis. One by one, forests began to die. Without plants, the giant plant-eating dinosaurs had almost nothing left to eat. As they disappeared, the meat-eating dinosaurs also started starving. The entire food chain slowly collapsed. And that wasn't the end of it. Scientists believe the impact also triggered massive wildfires across huge parts of the planet. Smoke filled the atmosphere. Temperatures changed dramatically. Some places became freezing cold. Others experienced intense heat. Acid rain may have fallen from the sky, making survival even harder for many species. Earth had become a completely different world. Within a relatively short period of time, nearly 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth disappeared. This event became one of the greatest mass extinctions in our planet's history. Almost every non-flying dinosaur vanished forever. But here's the surprising part. Not everything died. Some small animals managed to survive. Tiny mammals hid underground. Some birds escaped the worst conditions. Crocodiles survived by spending much of their time in water. Turtles, insects, and many sea creatures also found ways to endure the harsh new world. In fact, scientists now believe that modern birds are actually the closest living descendants of dinosaurs. So every time you see a pigeon, a crow, or even a chicken, you're looking at one of the last surviving branches of the dinosaur family tree. If that asteroid had missed Earth completely, our world might look very different today. Dinosaurs could still be the dominant animals. Mammals, including humans, might never have had the chance to rise. In a strange way, one of the most devastating events in Earth's history also opened the door for our own existence. The disappearance of the dinosaurs wasn't simply the end of one chapter. It was the beginning of ours.